Assalamualaikum, Sahabil and everyone. Today, I will be presenting the introduction of our academic visit report for BTM454 Technology Management. The Malaysian Agricultural Research and Development Institute or MARDI is Malaysia's leading agricultural research institution. It was established under the MARDI Act 1969 and has played a significant role in advancing Malaysia's agricultural sector through research and innovation. MARDI is responsible for conducting agricultural research, developing innovative technologies, and promoting modernization in agriculture. These efforts help improve farming methods and encourage the use of modern technologies to increase efficiency and productivity. In addition, MARDI contributes to enhancing agricultural productivity, strengthening national food security, and supporting sustainable farming practice. Through its research and technological innovations, the Institute helps ensure that Malaysia's agricultural sector continues to grow and remain competitive. MARDI is also closely related to technology management because it focuses on technology development, innovation management, technology adoption, and the commercialization of research outcomes. These activities ensure that new technologies are successfully transferred from research into practical applications that benefit farmers, industries, and the community. Through this academic visit, we gain valuable insight into how technology management is implemented in a real organizational environment. We also learn about smart agriculture, research and development, and technology transfer, which demonstrate how technology can be effectively managed to support innovation and sustainable agricultural development.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Karinisa. My metric number is 2025424236, and today I will be presenting about digital transformation, smart precision agriculture, R&D commercialization, and intellectual property management in Malaysia agriculture sector. First, I will explain the digital transformation and industry application. Digital transformation means using modern technology to improve the way agriculture works. Today, farmers use sensors and drones to collect important information about their farms. These technologies help monitor soil condition, crop health, weather, and plant growth more accurately. The collected data is then analyzed to support better decision making. For example, farmers can identify problems earlier and take action before crops and damage. Drones are also useful for monitoring large farming areas and detecting crop disease quickly. Besides that, artificial intelligence or AI can predict crop yields and identify pest intervention, automate irrigation and precision fertilization system. Also, ensure that crop receive the right amount of water and nutrients. This helps reduce waste, lower production costs, and increase farmer efficiency. Now, let's move on to smart and precision agriculture. Smart and precision agriculture involve the use of LOT, artificial intelligence, drone sensor, and automation system. This technology allows farmers to monitor crops and farm conditions in real time. Instead of relying only on experience, farmers can make decisions based on accurate data. This approach also supports precision irrigation and fertilization, ensuring that resources are used efficiently. As a result, crop production increases while protecting the environment through more sustainable farming practices. Overall, smart and precision agriculture play an important role in modernizing Malaysia's agriculture sector and making farmers more innovative and competitive. Next, I will explain R&D commercialization. Research and development focuses on producing high yield and disease-resistant crops to improve food security and agriculture productivity. It also encourages innovation in food processing technologies and agriculture machinery to make farmers more efficient. To ensure this innovation benefits society, There must be commercializers. Some commercialization strategy include technology licensing, joint venture, technology incubation programs, and public-private partnership. This method helps transfer research into practical product and service that can be used by farmer and business. As a result, research creates economic value and contribute to the growth of the agriculture industry. Lastly, I will discuss intellectual property management and technology transfer. Intellectual property or IP protect valuable ideas and innovation. Examples include patent, plant variety rights, copyrights, and trademark. Protecting intellectual property encourages research and company to continue developing new technology without worry about their ideas being copied. The technology transfer process begins with research and development, followed by prototype testing. After that, the innovation is protected through intellectual property rights before moving into industry collaboration. The technology is then shared through license agreements, and finally, user training and support are provided to ensure successful implementation.
Hi, I'm Hanis and I am in charge to explain about challenges and opportunity for smart and precision agriculture adoption and R&D commercialization and technology transfer. So the first topic is smart and precision agriculture adoption. The challenges that I discovered for this topic is the first one. Traditional and elderly farmers are less willing or prepared to adopt new technologies. This is because the lack of digital knowledge and technical training among farmers. And the last one is high initial costs of smart farming systems. Besides the challenges existed, there are also opportunities for this topic, which is first, increase crop productivity through data-driven farming and automation. Second, potential to attract younger generations into high-tech agriculture. And the last one is long-term reduction in labor costs through automation technologies. So the second topic is about R&D commercialization and technology transfer. The challenges are slow process of transferring technology from laboratory research to the market. The second one is issues related to intellectual property protection and management. The third one is inconsistent success rates of agropreneur incubation program. So, there are also have opportunities which are public-private partnerships can accelerate commercialization processes, strong potential for licensing intellectual property to food and agriculture industries, and the last one is commercialization of innovations such as specialized crop varieties and food processing machinery. So, we move to the next point.
Next part is integration of theory and practice. So the first one is digital transformation and industry 4.0 in agriculture. Digital transformation theory explains how digital technologies improve organizational efficiency and decision making. At Mardi, this is applied through industry 4.0 in agriculture. Also, smart farming technologies include automated farming equipment and drones for real-time crop monitoring. These technologies support data-driven farming, improving crop management and resource efficiency. Moreover, this technology push strategy in R&D commercialization. Innovation begins with research and development (R&D) before entering the market. At Mahdi, research developed new crop varieties, agriculture technologies, and food processing equipment. These innovations are then transferred to farmers and agribusiness companies through Mardi Corp. This demonstrates how R&D innovation are transformed into practical agriculture solutions. Furthermore, is technology transfer and commercialization management. Technology transfer theory focuses on transferring knowledge, research findings, and technologies from research institutions to end users. At Mardi, this is achieved through industry collaboration, trainings, program, and intellectual property licensing. Mardi connects researchers and government agencies and private companies to commercialize innovation. This ensures that research is successfully brought to the market and creates economic value. Lastly, is technology adoption and diffusion of innovation. Definition of innovation theory explains how technology is adopted through stage awareness, interest, eventual trial, and adoption. At Mardi, technologies like IoT sensor, drones, and smart farming systems are introduced to improve agriculture production. These innovations have raised awareness among local farmers about modern farming methods. However, adoption may be slow due to low digital literacy, financial limitation, and resistance to change, especially among traditional farmers. This shows that adoption depends on how ready and receptive different groups are to new innovation.
Next, I would like to present our recommendations. First, we recommend enhancing digital training and smart farming education. More digital training programs should be provided for farmers. This can increase awareness of technologies such as AI, IoT, drones, and big data. As a result, farmers can improve their digital skills and adopt modern farming technologies more effectively. Second, we recommend improving public-private collaboration. The government should strengthen partnerships with technology companies. This can provide better access to funding, expertise, and market opportunities while supporting the commercialization of agricultural innovation. Third, we recommend increasing commercialization efficiency. The licensing and intellectual property management process should be simplified to reduce the time needed to bring new innovations to the market. This will help improve the competitiveness of Malaysia's agricultural sector. Lastly, we recommend using a market pull innovation strategy. New technologies should be developed based on farmers' actual needs. Market research and users consultations should also be carried out to ensure that agricultural innovations meet industry demands. Finally, I would like to conclude our presentation. Overall, this academic visit provides us with a better understanding of how technology management is applied in a real organizational environment. It allows us to connect the theories we learn in class with practical applications in the agricultural industry. Throughout the visit, we observe how Mardi supports innovation through smart agriculture, research and development, commercialization, and technology transfer. These efforts demonstrate the importance of managing technology effectively to create value and improve agricultural practice. We also learned that modern technologies such as the Internet of Things (IoT), artificial intelligence (AI), drones, and automation play an important role in increasing agricultural productivity, improving operational efficiency, and supporting sustainable farming practice. Although there are challenges in technology adoption and commercialization, such as implementation costs and the need for continuous improvement, these challenges also create opportunities for further innovation and development in the agricultural sector. In conclusion, this academic visit has strengthened our understanding of the importance of technology management in supporting the growth and sustainability of Malaysia's agricultural sector. Thank you.